You ever look around your house and feel like the walls are just judging you? Like every sock on the floor, every crumb on the counter, it's all screaming failure? Yeah, been there. But I stopped cleaning the way I used to. I stopped chasing perfection. Instead, I started habit hacking my home. Small moves, quiet shifts, invisible victories. No deep cleans, no burnout, just peace layered in minutes. Want to know how? I don't clean. I just don't let it explode. See, the thing is, I stopped believing in clean slates. Those big, satisfying deep cleans where you scrub till your knees ache and the air smells like bleach? Yeah, that's a lie. Because mess always comes back. Always. So I stopped chasing clean. I started chasing control. Not the type you micromanage, but the kind that lives quietly in the background. I began noticing when the mess was being born. The moment shoes dropped by the door instead of the rack. The minute dishes went into the sink instead of the washer. Tiny acts of rebellion. So I started interrupting them. Not aggressively, just gently. No yelling at myself. No guilt trips. Just a quiet return. A small fix. I don't clean, really. I just never let it explode. That's the real win. My vacuum lives in the hallway. Not in the closet. Not under the stairs. I leave it where I can see it. Where it bothers me. That's the trick. Out of sight is out of mind. And in my house. That leads to pet hair cities and dust bunny colonies. So yeah, my vacuum lives like a roommate. Every time I walk by it, I feel this small whisper. Hey, 2 minutes wouldn't kill you. And sometimes I listen. Just do a patch. One room. One rug. Maybe just under the table. That's it. I don't do the whole house unless something wild happens. But little by little, because the tool is right there, things get clean. Not perfect, but lighter. So yeah, it's not beautiful decor, but it's beautiful in practice. I clean with my feet. No, seriously. My feet clean stuff. I wear fuzzy socks that pick up dust. I nudge shoes into the closet with my toes. I kick rogue toys toward the stairs, so I'll take them up later. If something falls, I'll slide it across the floor like I'm playing lazy soccer. Is it elegant? Not even a little. Is it efficient? Extremely. Cleaning doesn't always need tools. Sometimes it's about movement. Small ones. Casual ones. I clean in passing. While thinking about dinner. While spacing out. Cleaning isn't this thing I do on weekends anymore. It's how I move through my house. It's just part of how I live here. I clean like a human, not a maid. That's freedom. My couch is secrets. Under the cushions. Behind the pillows. Inside the storage ottoman. That couch is not just for sitting. It's storage. It's rescue. It's my sanity on lazy days. When people show up last minute and the dining table looks like a disaster, I don't panic. I sweep everything, mail, books, chargers, wrappers, into the ottoman. Done. Out of sight. No shame. The cushions hide extra blankets, old magazines, random toys. It's like a secret weapon. Nobody knows. They sit there, sipping tea, thinking I've got my life together. I don't. My couch does. That's the trick. Hide the mess, host the calm. Sunday is for surfaces. I don't clean the whole house. Not anymore. I just clean surfaces, tabletops, counters, bathroom sinks. That's it. And only on Sundays. It takes 20 minutes, tops. And it makes the entire space feel refreshed. You could have a pile of laundry in the corner, but if the dining table is clean and the kitchen counter's wiped, it looks like you tried, like you care. So I do surfaces, religiously. Dust, wipe, straighten. It's almost meditative. No music, just the sound of cloth on wood. It's like I'm setting the stage for the week. My little ritual of pretending I'm a grown-up works like magic. I set traps for my future self. You ever wake up and instantly hate your house? Like everything's yelling at you? I used to feel that, until I started setting traps. Good traps. I leave cues for my future self. A clean coffee corner. A scented candle near the sink. The living room lamp turned on low before bed. They're like small gifts, little whispers that say, hey, I got you. So when I stumble into the kitchen in the morning, it doesn't scream. It hugs. Doesn't take long. 5 minutes max. But it changes my entire day. Future me deserves peace. So present me leaves her a clean spot to land. I use time, not energy. I don't wait to feel energetic. That was the old me, waiting for motivation. Now, I use time. 5 minutes here, 2 minutes there. That's it. You can do a surprising amount in 5 minutes. Vacuum one room, full of 5 shirts. Toss 3 things into the donation bin. Set a timer and see what happens. You'll be shocked. Energy is unreliable, but time, that shows up every day. The trick is to lower the bar. Stop thinking cleaning is some grand task that needs music and gloves and a full day off. Nah, it's just time. Little ones. That's all it takes. I clean when I complain. Here's a weird one. When I'm mad, I clean. When I'm annoyed, I wipe the counters. While I'm sulking, I empty the dishwasher. It's like therapy with a mop. It doesn't solve the problem, but it moves the mood. And by the end, I'm lighter. The kitchen's cleaner. Win-win. I don't even mean to do it. My hands just start moving. Maybe that's what they mean by muscle memory. Maybe it's emotional memory. Either way, it helps. Better than stewing on the couch. At least this way, something changes. Even if it's just the sink. I let things stay messy on purpose. Sometimes I leave messes. Intentionally. The laundry stays in the basket. The dishes stay in the sink. The beds stay unmade. Because I need rest. Or I need space. Or I just don't care that day. And that's okay. Cleaning is not my personality. It's just a system. When I can't run the system, I pause it. I don't panic. Because I know it'll pick back up again. The habits are there, waiting. Like a gentle rhythm. That's the comfort of habit hacking. You can leave the house messy and still feel okay. Still feel in control. Because mess is temporary. Peace is the pattern. This is my clean enough. I don't chase spotless. I chase clean enough. That line where my brain isn't buzzing and my feet don't crunch on crumbs. Where I can breathe. Where guests can sit down. That's enough. Not the Pinterest dream. Not the perfect mom myth. Just enough. My home isn't staged. It's lived in. You'll find fingerprints. Dog fur. Socks in weird places. But you'll also find warmth. Laughter. Meals on the table. I don't always clean. But I do create peace. In small, daily, almost invisible ways. That's my shortcut. That's my home. So no, I don't always clean. Not in the way folks think. I just live inside small habits that keep the mess from becoming chaos. It's not magic. It's not luck. It's rhythm. A quiet one. One you build day by day. And if you felt even a flicker of relief hearing this, then maybe you're ready to habit hack your own space too. Stick around. This is Rustic Pantry, where cozy living meets real life mess. And we don't hide the crumbs. We just sweep them in style. See you next time.